Hey guys, this is AK again. I haven't recorded in a while, but I just wanted to do an update of my phone, and it's running a launcher called Wp7. As I said before, it's a very sleek launcher. I love it so much because it's beautiful. It's toned down compared to the regular Android operating system. I love Android. I love the fact that they have so many apps and stuff that you could download and actually customize your phone to look any way you want it to. But this is the main reason why I wanted to go back and give you an update. The update that I wanted to give you was based on this on this look of Windows Phone 7, which is called the People's Hub. But basically, I want to give you an overview on how to create something like this. What I did, guys, was I used a launcher called ADW. ADW allows you to change different things. At first, it was at the very bottom here, it was a dock, and the dock, you can remove the dock. Up at the top, you can hide the status bar, which basically gives you a blank palette. What I did was I changed the wallpaper to be black. I went on the internet. I found a black wallpaper. I made my backdrop black. All of these different texts that you see, like the Big People's Hub, people text. That's essentially a app called Minimalistic Text, and this is the same thing. Group, what's new, all of this is minimalistic text. This is a widget called I can't remember it this time. Let me see. Let me go to it. That is a widget called APW. If you just go to the app market, the App Store, and just look for APW in the Google Play Store, and that'll actually allow you to have scrolling widgets on your home screen. So it's a nice little effect, making it look like it's actually part of the People's Hub in Windows Phone 7. So guys, let me talk a little bit about the People's Hub. What I love about the People's Hub that Windows Phone 7 do is it looks so much like a layout of a magazine, and I love just the fact that you can have everything kind of at a glance. You know, you can have you can call your favorite contacts just at a hit. You know what I'm saying? But the thing is, the main thing that I love about it is just the beauty and the simplicity of Windows Phone 7. I really wanted to mimic this People's text right here. What I did, guys, was I actually went online. I did a little research, and the name of the font that Windows Phone 7 uses is WP Segal. What it is WP SEGOE. WP Segal. Now, if you want this font, essentially you will have to go to the market. I'm sorry, not the market. You will have to go to Google and do a Google search on WP Segal font download. When you do that, guys, you would actually go to the CM10 full font packages, Segal, WP, Helvetica, and more. When you actually hit on that, it's going to open up XDA developers. Someone actually did a post on this actual font. This is what Windows Phone 7 uses. It's called Segal WP. And you just hit on this little link right here. It's going to take you to a Dropbox folder. And from that Dropbox folder, you can choose at the top here, download. So let's just hit download. It says direct download. Yeah, it's kind of blurry. It says direct download or add to my Dropbox. We're going to hit direct download. And up here you see it starting to download. So now the very next thing I will tell you guys to get is a file manager called ES File Manager. ES File Manager is in the market. What you would do is download that. It's called ES File Manager, and since I just downloaded it, it should be in my download folder. So let's search for download folder. Download. So when you go into download, you can find segalwp.font. When you go into segalwp.font, let's find it first. Okay, here it is. segalwp.font.zip. Press and hold, and it will tell you to extract to, cut, copy, rename, delete, move to, copy to, select all. Hit extract to. Extract to current path. Then hit OK. Okay, since I already have it downloaded, let's just go and cancel out of that. Now let's go back to our People's Hub. Now from People's Hub, we're going to go into the actual widget, which is minimalistic text. Now you will go to global settings all the way at the bottom. See who's at the top, scroll down to the bottom. Global settings. In global settings, you will scroll down until you see fonts folder. Go into that. Since I'm already in the place that I want to be at, let me back all the way out and show you how to get there. When you first do this, guys, it's going to look just like this. You want to find download. Here's download. And just find the folder that you actually extracted the font to, which is this download folder, and it's called Segal WP font. Press on it. Hit OK. Back out. Now, what you would do is essentially go to this right here. This is pretty much what it looks like right here, guys. And this is the sample of it. But you click on normal and you go into font family. And this is the marker felt thin.ttf is the text that I use. And that's Windows Phone 7 text. Okay, so let's back out. Basically, this is how it looks. That big people's font, and that is WP7. So, if you guys have any questions, just the information is at the bottom of this YouTube. But that's it. Have a good one.